For a human being, a sudden change in personality means a lot of thing because it can lead to several different types of consequences. It could be either positive or it could be negative, because sudden noticeable shifts in personality means there are a lot of changes inside a human's mind, state of mind. Before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. And that overall is linked to its blood flow and other in internal mechanism of its body. And of course, it is directly linked to its central nervous system, to its CPU, that means its brain, and ultimately leads to, as I said, to different types of consequences. But for your robot partners, for your lab robots, if you notice a sudden shift in its personality, then you can be rest assured that these changes are not random. They reflect advancements in how the robot perceives and interacts with its human user, that means with you. So, overall, for a robot partner, a sudden noticeable shift in personality is done by fundamentally altering its core logic. It normally it happens because it when it takes updates, and you know that a robot partner either can run on its by default operating system, or it is directly linked to the cloud server that runs the robot. That means either it runs locally or, in a broader term, globally. Now, let us think from a different perspective whether that personality change can, whether this update can be positive or negative. That means, is it good for us or is it bad for us? Because we want to know our robot partners, our lab robots, from its head to toe, from its different types of behaviors, behavioral changes, and everything, isn't it? Everything. So, from an algorithmic perspective, updates often introduce more sophisticated machine learning models. So, the robot learns to correlate complex patterns such as a user's vocal tone, facial expressions, and linguistic cues with specific emotional states. So, using these techniques like deep learning or reinforcement learning, the system is trained on vast data sets. There could be billions of parameters to refine its responses, making it appear more empathetic or intuitive. As I said, that this personality shift could either lead to a positive effect, or it can be negative. Mostly, it is positive because it is built in that way. An update might replace a rule-based system, basically, with a neural network, causing a dramatic shift from a rigid personality to a more fluid and adaptive one, which is a good news for us. Of course, it's a good news for us. And from a software standpoint, the underlying operating system and the middleware that run these algorithms are enhanced, and updates can provide new APIs for effective computing. That means emotion recognition, which we call, and natural language processing (NLP), so that it can process your speech more accurately, more perfectly, and so that it can also understand the sarcasm, wits, subtle emotional shifts in your behavior that it previously missed. So there are a lot of things do take place. And finally, if we talk about hardware improvements, these updates also affect the high resolution cameras or more sensitive microphones, and provide the algorithms with richer, more detailed data. And the robot learns from that updated data. And this allows the software to make more accurate assessments of the user's state of mind, leading to more nuanced and appropriate interactions. So there are a lot of things happen behind the curtain, and as a robot lover, we as we know them more, it is better, always better. So that is it. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. If you like the video, please hit the bell icon to get notified, and don't forget to like with your friends, share, and subscribe for more insights. If you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. It means a lot to me. And please consider signing up for membership zone to support Wooden Slate so that we can make it better and better. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care and stay safe.